Hello everyone. I just want to show us how to use the Mendeley reference manager in our write-up. It will save us time and then it will help us to cite all those authors appropriately with the right style recommended by our institution. First thing we need to do is to go to our browser and type mendeley.com. Once we have typed this page will pop up giving us a chance to download it. Just go straight to download. By clicking download, you have option whether you are using for Windows or for macOS or for Linux. So for me, I'm using Windows. If you are using Windows, please click Windows, and if others, click as appropriate. So let's click download for Windows. This will come up here and the process of downloading will start here. I'm going to pause it because I've already have it downloaded on my laptop. So for you, you are going to wait till all of this is downloaded and it is saved in a folder or a file. It is 172 MB. Please wait till you finish the download. Once this is done and is ready, just go to locate where it is downloaded. If it is under your download, just go there. Just type, if you don't know where it is downloaded, type Mendeley on this search uh, button here, and then you will search the Mendeley desktop exe, which this is the app for it, and you are just going to run it as an administrator. So once you click run as an administrator, it will ask you this: if you want it to make any changes to your computer, just click yes, and then off it goes. By the time it finish downloading, this will come up to your computer. You will see it like this on your computer, Mendeley desktop. Just double tap it, and then this page pops up. Once this pops up, it's requesting for email and password, your email and password. And because you have not registered before, you come here to register in your email and password. You click this, it takes you to a page where you register. It's being managed by SVR. Mendeley is being managed by SVR, and you just need to type in your email and then your password, and after that you sign in. Because I have had this, that's why I'm asking you to do that. But if you don't have it, the page that you will see here, you just fill in with your email, password, and every other details, then you create the account. Once you have done that, the account has been created. You can come here and launch it again, and then you type in your email that you have created. So let's just type it in now. My own is Margaret. I'm typing in my email. So you can type in your own. Whatever email you are using is all right, even if it's an organization account that you are being given. The next is to type in your password after you have typed in your email, and then you sign in because you have already registered. This page will pop up asking you to install reference manager and also install citation plugin for Microsoft Word. Please do the two. Install both of them. After the installation has completed, just close that page. This is showing us ways to use all these buttons that we are seeing here, so you can visit it and just read it for further details. So haven't open this page. I want us to disregard what you are seeing here because it will come, this page is supposed to come empty. But because I've tried to use it before this illustration, that's why you have seen all these papers here. So this place are supposed to come empty. And at the same time, I let me see if I can just remove it so that it will not distract us. Okay, or delete document. So I hope I have deleted it. It's not deleted. Please, let's just go on. If it's like this and this place is empty, just come here first and come to tools. Once you are here, install web importer. At that too, this install web importer will bring this. Get web importer for Chrome. What this will do for you is that when you go to the web to download paper, this web importer makes it very easy at a single click to have it all saved in the reference manager that you want to use. So for me now, I've clicked the web importer, Mendeley web importer, and it's asking me to remove from Chrome. Now, it's saying this because I've already installed it. For you, you will see add here. In this place, when you click add, it will load and it would add to your extension, because this is an extension, and this button is where you have all your extension. So once it is added, you can come here to check if it's there. For me, because I've added it, it's already there, and you can pin it so that you can see it at a glance. Once you pin it now, you see it's already popped up here, and then you can close it. So we have installed the web importer for the Mendeley reference manager, so we can close all of this. The next thing is, you go to that tool again. We have installed the plugin, so it's asking us to uninstall it here because it's already installed in the first pop-up page, and that is what we will do. So you can minimize this page and just go online. If you have a Google Scholar, just go to your search engine, type Google Scholar, just type Google Scholar. Okay, Google Scholar. Then with this, you can search many articles online. So let's assume I'm working on a project I titled Vitamin C. And then I find out that these articles or these papers are important for me in my, that I'm going to use them in my Word document. Note that we have not opened Word document since I started. We are doing all of these to garnish the Word document so that we will have a seamless typing and write up when it comes to when our work is about to start. So I have checked this and I enjoy this. Probably I opened this article and I am interested in having it in my write up. I can just come here and click this. By clicking this, because we are using it for the first time, is signing in to Mendeley web importer, and it's going to check if we have an account. So that's why all of this may take few seconds. It's asking me to sign in. I think I probably closed it when I was trying to close some tabs. So that's why we need to be very careful. So I have tried to sign in now, and then that is taking place. So I haven't signed in. This is the document I found useful, and all I need to do is to just select it by ticking it. So once I tick it, I can just add it to Mendeley. But before I add it, these are other suggestions. It's saying that there are 41 more references dictated on this page. So if I want to check all of them, I can check all of them, and then if they are okay for me, I can just select them one after the other. By selecting all, everything will be selected. But if this is the only one I want, I will not select all. I will just select this and then click add to Mendeley. This is adding to Mendeley. So let's assume I want to add all of them by clicking all. I've already added this, so it will not highlight. So I've added all of them to Mendeley. These works are supposed to be very fast. It will not download some that are not licensed or some that are restricted from downloading to public. So let's assume this is done, and so we can close it. And then let's imagine that Those are the articles that we will need for our write-up on vitamin C. The next thing for us to do is to go to our Word document. Then we open it. Once you have opened your Word document, you will see this menu listed here, and then under referencing, if you check, you will have seen Mendeley's cytomatic. It means that your reference page or your referencing will be managed by Mendeley because you have installed it and you have also installed the plugin to the Word document. So you already have it installed here. So we are working on what? Vitamin C. And then let's assume I've typed a whole lot of things I want to type and I want to cite someone. I just go to insert citation. You see that we actually added a lot of documents, about 42 of them. And here we are having three. These three are the ones I showed you earlier. What you need to do is to come to synchronize so that everything you have done online will come here. And then I've clicked synchronizing and you can see the way it just popped up everything. The one that are still under downloading is shown here. So all of this will come here. Now let's move on. I have tried to type in something in Word document and I want to cite an author who said vitamin C something something. So I click insert citation and I go to my Mendeley, and maybe this is the person I chose to cite and I just click the person. The next thing for me is to I have read the abstract of the person and I felt is what I'm looking for about what I'm about to say, and I just click cite. So automatically it has cited this person. Now the next thing for you to confirm is if this citation is according to the style required by your institution. If your institution required you to cite to cite your authors in APA style, that is American Psychological uh, Association style. So you just come here and check. I have highlighted this and it has chosen that this is automatically here because this thing I highlighted, this author I highlighted is cited in APA style 7th edition. But if your institution is asking you to use another style, maybe American Medical Association, all you just need is to click whatever style you are supposed to use. And in this context, for this purpose, you can just use the APA style. For the purpose of this video, we are using this APA style. This APA style this author has been cited, but we need to mention them, that we reference them in our write-up. So let's assume this is our reference page down the write-up we have done. We mention this author. All you need to do is to click insert is the biography. Pardon me, you cannot insert it at this. Pardon me. So we have mentioned this author and we only say insert his biography here. Do you understand? So under the reference page, that is where bibliography will be cited. So the next thing to do, we have discussed about this author and we are continuing our write-up. Say this is a supplement. By writing this, we want to type and cite an author who said this. Then we can go to Mendeley again and choose whosoever we want to choose and then just cite that individual. And automatically the bibliography will start popping up once we have done the first one. And then this is how we write all our write-ups without worrying about citing them and referencing them. But if perhaps you have finished your write-ups and you have been told to change them to a particular style, all you just have to do is to come to any of these citations, any of the reference or citations, and then change it to whatever you are supposed to change it. Then it will